Hey everyone, today we are breaking down the Atmos Reward Ascent Visa Signature Credit Card for 2026, what it offers, who it is best for, and the pros and cons you need to know before you apply. Let's get into it. What it is. The Atmos Rewards Ascent is a co-branded travel rewards card issued by Bank of America, designed mainly for flyers on Alaska Airlines and Hawaiian Airlines. It replaced the old Alaska Airlines Visa and brings new perks tied to the Atmos Rewards program. It has a $95 annual fee and requires good to excellent credit. Key benefits. Number one, for the key benefits, we have the welcome bonus. New card holders can earn a large bonus, often around 70,000 points, plus a $99 companion fare after spending a certain amount in the first 90 to 120 days. Number two, annual companion fare. Each year after spending more than $6,000 on the card, you can get a companion fare, a second ticket for as low as about $122, which is $99 plus taxes and fees, and this can save you hundreds on airfare if you fly with a partner. Number three, free checked bag and preferred boarding. You and up to six companions on the same reservation get a free first checked bag and priority boarding on Alaska and Hawaiian flights when you pay with the card. 4. Solid rewards rates. 3x points on Alaska and Hawaiian purchases, 2x points on gas, EV charging, cable streaming, rideshare, and certain transit purchases. 1x point on all other spend, plus extra perks like 20% back on in-flight purchases and sometimes a 10% annual points bonus if you have a qualifying Bank of America account. Number 5, no foreign transaction fees. Great for travel abroad. You won't be hit with extra fees when using it outside the US. Downsides. For the downsides, we have many, but number one is annual fee. The card has a $95 yearly fee with no first year waiver. If you do not use the perks, it can outweigh the value. Number two, spending requirement for companion fare. You must spend $6,000 per year to unlock the companion fare. That might be a stretch for some users. Number three, limited travel reach. Most benefits like free bags, boarding, and the companion fare only work with Alaska or Hawaiian flights. These airlines have a smaller route network than beginner carriers, so this card isn't ideal if you fly other airlines more often. Rewards are not transferable. Unlike cards that let you transfer points to multiple airline or hotel partners, Atmos points stay in the Atmos program. That limits flexibility. Few premium perks. No lounge access, TSA pre-check global entry credits, or robust travel protections. Benefits you might find with other cards at similar fees. Who it is best for. Best fit if you fly Alaska or Hawaiian Airlines at least once or twice a year. If you travel with a partner or group and will use the free checked bag and companion fare. If you live near hubs served by Alaskan Hawaiian flights and want to save on flights. It is not great if you rarely fly these airlines. If you want flexible rewards that transfer to many travel partners, if you want premium travel benefits like lounge access or big annual travel credits. Quick summary. Great value for frequent Alaska Hawaiian flyers, annual companion fare, and free checked bags deliver real dollar savings, solid earning on flights and travel related spending, limited to specific airlines, annual spend requires to unlock key perks. Rewards are not flexible outside the Atmos program. So, is the Atmos Rewards Ascent worth it? If you regularly fly with Alaska or Hawaiian and can hit the spending requirement, absolutely. But if you are a more flexible traveler or fly other airlines mostly, you might find better cards elsewhere. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like, subscribe, and let me know down below in the comments if you want a comparison with other travel cards. Thank you for watching and see you in a new review.